Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and today I'm going to do a simple and brief tutorial on how to download fonts to your Photoshop. This is a very quick tutorial and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first place you want to do is go to the place where you're going to download the font. I love using this website. It's called thefont.com. I will put a link on the description box below. And the nice thing about them is that all their fonts are free to use for personal use, and you don't have to pay anything extra for them. So once you go through all the fonts and you find the one that you actually like, I'm going to do this one. It's called Love Hue. All you have to do is click on the right hand side where it says download. And if you have a Mac computer, even on the Windows, you're going to see it on the bottom down here. It's going to go ahead and automatically download the zip file. What I normally do, I had opened it already right here, but what I normally do is I drag the zip file to my computer. I double click on it to open the file, as you see right here. And then the next step will be make sure you click on Go. And then you want to click on the option button on your keyboard to give you this option. You see how when you press option, the library folder pops up? So you want to click on the library folder, double click there. You want to go to fonts and you want to take this folder here and drop it on top of fonts. That's going to install it not only on Photoshop but on your computer in general. So if you ever use a different software than Photoshop and you want to use the same font, the Love Hue, you'll be able to use it as well. So once you install it, in your fonts, all you have to do is go back to Photoshop. And let's go ahead and just type anything here. I'll just type my name in the screen. Let me make this a little bit smaller because it's going to be huge. Okay, so I typed my name. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to go through all the fonts. I have so many fonts, as you can see. And we're going to look for the one that we just installed right here. Oops. Sorry about that. So you're going to look for it. It was called Love Hue, and it's right there, as you can see. And then what you could do is once you have it installed, you could play with it. Depending on the font style, some of them are a little bigger than the average. So you will have to play with it. But there it is. And, you'll be able to go ahead and change the color of the font if you like to something else. So you'll be able to do everything you normally do with a font. And this is the easiest way to install font to your Photoshop as well as to your computer. So if you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions about additional tutorials for Adobe Photoshop, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what type of tutorials you would like to learn more. And make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my latest video on Photoshop, on digital marketing, how to make money online, Etsy tutorials, and so many more videos I'll be adding throughout the year. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful night.